Swimming pools built in the 1960s and 70s face significant challenges today. Aging structures, leaking pool edges, and at the same time, the desire to resume operations as quickly as possible. At the Ronneburg Youth and Leisure Centre, the new CarboCeram pool edge solution from AGROB Buchtal was implemented precisely for this purpose. The youth and leisure facilities of the main Kinzig district are a municipal enterprise. Our indoor swimming pool is also a crucial component of our success. That's why we're so focused on getting its equipment back in top condition. It's now over 50 years old. Now we want to spruce up the swimming pool again. This prefabricated construction method clearly has the advantage in terms of time. We save an immense amount of time. While we are carrying out demolition work here on the construction site, or subsequently applying the waterproofing, we can already prepare the prefabricated units with ceramic tiles in the factory, thus saving all this time. The planning is more complex and also requires greater precision. Pre-made plans allow adaptation to existing structures, thus accelerating the construction process. It's very light, especially important with prefabricated elements that also need to be transported. A crucial aspect, to have lightweight construction while simultaneously maintaining high strength. We achieve significantly higher strength with carbon reinforcement than with steel reinforced concrete. And there's no corrosion, a very, very important aspect in a swimming pool that's constantly exposed to water. With carbon reinforced concrete, you don't have that. It can't corrode and is therefore extremely durable. We see the particular advantages of prefabricated construction in the fact that the components arrive at the construction site fully assembled. The pool edge is the key detail of this swimming pool renovation. But based on how the collaboration has gone so far and how the construction process is progressing, I can already say we have a great outcome. I can report that we are all confident that the detailing is going well and that we will have a new pool by the end of the day. So far, I can say that everything has worked out great, even better than expected, and I would do it with AGROB Buchtal again anytime. AGROB Buchtal, the construction management, the executing company, the architect, the company, we always worked together constructively throughout the entire process and always found solutions. It worked out exceptionally well for us. Ronneburg demonstrates how modern swimming pool renovation works today. With the CarboCeram prefabricated component from AGROB Buchtal, a fast and efficient renovation of outdoor and indoor swimming pools is possible.